Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Highland cow inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute cow, let's first start by drawing the snout and mouth area. So I'm going to start right here and draw kind of this oval shape, but a little bit squarish. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. Something like that. And then I'm going to kind of round off this corner a little bit and then kind of bring it down a bit straighter. Same thing here. And then bring it in, same thing, corner. So it's like an oval, but like I said, just a little bit boxier. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you can just go ahead and draw an oval. Just trying to make it a little bit squarer. Okay, so something like that. Then we're gonna come inside, and about right here, I'll go ahead and draw an oval for the nostril, and same thing here. And then about right here in the center, we're going to go ahead and just draw a small curve for a smile and cap it off. Aww, we have a little happy face. Then from there, let's go to the sides on this corner area, about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for an eye. And then same thing on the other side, so that this corner. There, so my two circles for eyes, and let's come back in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. If you're drawing too small, you can just put one highlight. But since I'm drawing big enough, I can put some color in the eyes with these Draw So Cute eyes. Okay, so same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then from there, we need to draw the tuft of fur on top of the head. So I'll start right here on top of this eye. I'll just give myself a point about right there. And I'm going to draw 3 strands. So one, I'll just go up a little bit, come down, go back up, and come down again, and about right there, we're going to go right back up over this eye and go up. So on this side, we're just going to curve it a bit and go up there. So we just want to create this. From there, let's go ahead and give this some volume. So I'm going to go up, say about this much. Same thing on this side. And then now that I'm about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and come to the top right here and just draw a bunch of strands back and forth at a curve coming right back to here. So this is right on top of the head. So just have fun with this. There's no right or wrong way, but you just want to create this nice tuft of fur. And about right here, go ahead and just connect everything. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the Squishmallow shape. So I'll come about right here, and same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across. Up. Turn straight, about right there. And then here I'm going to go ahead and draw the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come down with a curve. Same thing here. Come to the eye area, about right here. About there. And then let's go ahead and bring it down. If you're using a pencil, you can definitely just draw the usual Squishmallow shape, and then put in that tuft of fur at the top of the head. Now go ahead and bring this down more. And so about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. Just your basic Squishmallow shape. So then about right there, let's go ahead and bring it in. So we'll round this part off, flatten this bit, and then connect everything. There. Okay, something like that. And then from there, let's go ahead and come about right here in this area, and I'll drag this across, oops, to about here. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath the mouth for the tummy area. And come right back down to here. And curve in. There. Pop this out a little bit more so it'll match the other side. So definitely always make any adjustments you need. Okay, there. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw, let's see here, the horns. So I'm going to come right back to this area right here, and I'm going to come up and out and curve up to about that much, round off this tip, and then bring it down for the horns. Now about right here, we're going to bring it in. There. So same thing on the other side right here. And once again, just going to create this curve. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same. So let's say about right here. Curve. And once again, round off the tip. And we're going to bring it down to about right here. So come down. And about right there, just bring it in. And then if you like, you can draw some markings right here on the horn. So come right here and just draw 2 of these. And same thing on this side. 2 of these stripes. Okay, and then we need to draw ears. So let's come right back here, and I'm just going to curve out, round it off, and bring it in. And then you can draw another layer, give it some detail. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, pop it out and bring it back in. And once again, another curve right there. Bring it down more. There. And let's see here. And if you like, you can come in here and just add in some zigzags for some texture, and here as well. Highland cows are known for being very, very furry, right? That's why they're so cute. But that, oh, actually, and one more thing. One last thing. Let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Highland cow inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today and that you loved how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.